How to change resolution or how to change the picture quality on our Vizio TV just with the help of the Vizio TV remote and some things on your device. Firstly, use your remote and press the information button of your control to check Vizio TV resolution. You will find the resolution listed at the top of your screen. You can also change the resolution from here, that is like 1080i, 1080p, etc. Now, step 2, to configure your picture mode, press the menu button of your Vizio TV remote and scroll to the picture setting. On the picture, press OK to enter the picture setting. Then go to picture mode, and here you have to now use the left and right arrow buttons to change the picture mode from here. And yes, this is the setting how you can do it. Vizio Smart TV offer 6 different picture modes, that is standard or normal, vivid, calibrated, and calibrated dark. You can read the content details here. The last one is game mode and the computer mode. So this is how you can configure the mode setting. And now you have to configure the picture setting, that is step 3. Press on the main menu button of your remote and scroll to the picture setting. As I have shown you in the previous step, the steps are usually same, and yes, you can simply do it. To normally change your resolution, you simply have to go on the menu, select your resolution from there and select it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical updates like this.